Ready to say body parts? Ready?
Daddy.
Okay. Where is your hair? Where is your eyes? Where is your nose? Lips? Stomach? Tongue? Teeth? Ears? Cheeks? Chin? Very good. Knees? Very good. Elbow? Wrist? Ankle? Hair? Eyes, forehead, very good. Fingers, okay, fingers, very good. Toes, very good. Stand, okay, stand. Where is your bump? Where is your navel button? Very good. Where is your vagina? Okay. Hands up, hands down, very good. Clap for Darshu.